we've actually used the millions of fit data that we've collected to actually provide, for the first time, I think, of any company, an experience where we can actually get the measurement better than a tailor by just sending them a sample garment that they try on, take a picture, and then we're able to analyze that picture to get their measurements.
Okay, so that's how it works.
Because the wedding dress is such an important item, brides over the past 3 years have given us, as I said, millions of measurement sets. And we've actually been able to analyze those, make sample patterns, sample dresses. So by answering a couple questions online, we send you 2 of those sample patterns. You try them on, and then through some image recognition and analysis by our pattern makers, we're actually able to analyze 40 sets of measurements and get the fit better than if we measured you ourselves.
That's really cool.
And we're able to add, through the design shop, through Certainty on Fit, through the world's first guarantee on fit. Kleinfeld's leading retailer in New York is at $1,600 flat rate for alterations. We guarantee a bride won't pay more than $299 for alterations. So we've really been able to gain customer trust, and our business is seeing its best months ever.
Wow. I mean, I recently got married, luckily pre-pandemic. I could not believe how expensive it was to get alterations. I just couldn't believe how expensive the dress was, and then getting it fitted. So $300 sounds like a relative bargain.